Right, so this iPhone 6 Plus, the board has been taken out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna work IC, I'm gonna remove the shield and put the IC on, and then check the voltage, any sort of voltage coming back and on the pins or not, because initially when we were checking there was no sort of no voltage were coming here. 3.3 something was coming, so it's supposed to be 3.5 something. Yeah, so that would be the goal, to fix the IC on this and make the device work. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna check one more time the voltage on it to just double check that the voltage is not coming, is because of the IC, nothing else, because when you take it out it starts working. So we're getting 0.17 something. Oh, okay, you can see that we're getting very low voltage here on the board. If you see that still some points not talking, but one of this point you will be getting the voltage that connects here. So that point is actually the current coming from the charging flex to the board. So then it's coming from here, charging port, and on that point. But on the battery pin, no voltage. So from here it goes to the IC, and that voltage is missing. So we're gonna restore that voltage, and hopefully that will work. Okay, so the metal sheet has been removed and the IC is there. We'll take it off and put a new IC on. And we'll see that if we have restored the voltage back on the battery pins. Right, so we took the IC off. That's the one. 1610A2 is the number of it, and we are going to put a new IC. 1610A2. Okay, we have quite a few of them. So I'm going to put one. So anyway, I'm going to take one IC on and then put it on the phone, and then see what does it do. Okay, so we put the IC on, and we'll put the metal sheet back on as well. It's a bit warm at the moment. So what we're going to do, we're going to connect this with the flex and see that there's any sort of voltage we managed to restore or not. Okay. Alright, charging block is connected, charger is connected, IC has been changed. See that, yeah, so we managed to restore the voltage. On this pin we're not getting the voltage 3 point something, it was getting 0.75, 0.1, 0.2 or something. So now we're getting 3 point something plus 4 point something. That's enough sufficient voltage to power on the phone. So I'm going to connect the battery and charger. I'm going to see and show you how does it work. LCD as well. Okay, so 6 plus charging IC has been fixed. Voltage has been restored and phone is powering on. Just going to make sure that there's no customer picture or anything. I don't think we don't have a code for this phone. You're not going to be able to check it. Only thing you're going to see that if it's showing the charging sign or not, because without code we cannot check. We're not responsible for anything else which is faulty on the device. Right. 6S, 6 Plus came for no power charging IC. Now we diagnosed with the multimeter that if the pins is not showing enough sufficient charging, then it's typical sign of that it's got a problem with the charging IC. So yeah, it's charging and is responding to the charger. It's 2% charge. Ooh, that is not good. This sign is not good. Sign is coming on top. It's this phone got a touch problem as well, touch disease. When you have a touch disease, touch not working, you get that problem as well on top. So we managed to fix the charging IC, but got a problem with the touch as well. So we're gonna let the customer know if they want it to get it fixed. We can fix that too. Yeah, and we got like it's disabled for a few minutes as well. So we will definitely need the code to check this device now because of this touch disease problem coming on the top. Not very good news, to be honest. But anyway, we're gonna check it and we'll let the customer know if they want us to fix. So first thing we would need is a code, because we don't have a code. And then we're gonna make sure that we can do something about it. Cheers, thank you very much. If you have any device like this, do contact us and we'll let you know how much it costs and then how long it's gonna take. Thank you very much. Ta-da, bye bye.